everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nayantara and I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to review two moisturizers. The first moisturizer is this Cipla Excella moisturizer for oily and acne prone skin, and the second moisturizer is this Hydronet cream. So let's get started. The first moisturizer I'm going to start with is the Cipla Excella moisturizer. It is 50 grams of product and you get it for about 420 rupees. However, the price differentiates if you're buying online or you're buying in store. I bought it online and I will put the Amazon link in the description. So if you guys want to check it out, you can find it there. So on the packaging, it clearly mentions that this moisturizer is specifically for oily and acne prone skin. It is matte feel, it's not comedogenic, and it reduces sebum production. It is a very light formula and it absorbs beautifully into the skin. One pump of this moisturizer is enough for one application. I did a rookie mistake by applying too much. I think applied 2 pumps on my skin in the first few times I was trying it out, and I quickly realized that you don't need a lot of this product. One pump goes a long way. What I like about this product is that it is very lightweight. Like I said before, it absorbs beautifully into the skin. It also did not irritate my skin at all. It's very soothing, if I may say so. Another very important thing is that this does not have fragrance. I checked the ingredient list and it doesn't mention that it has fragrance, which is very important for moisturizers which are made for oily and acne prone skin. Another amazing thing I've noticed is that it has niacinamide in it. Niacinamide helps in controlling sebum production. It prevents breakout and combats enlarged pores and uneven skin tone. I was surprised that the very second ingredient in this ingredient list is niacinamide, which means that there's good percentage of niacinamide in this. But while I was using this product, I was constantly reminded of Actrophy lotion because I think they're very similar formulas from the feel to application, and the whole experience of using the two moisturizers was very similar to me. So in case you could not get your hands on this one, you can definitely try Actrophy and vice versa. As for the packaging, I really like the packaging because it's so small and compact. I'm sure I can travel with this and I'll have no problems. It can just fit into any bag. So those were the pros and why I like this moisturizer. But I want to point out a few cons which I noticed. The first thing is that this moisturizer will not last me more than 1 month if I use it in the morning and night. So I mean, it's not bad, but it's a reoccurring expense which will add up and it will be expensive in the long run. The second one is that this one is too light for the upcoming winter season. I don't think this will be enough even for acne prone skin to be adequately moisturized in winters. So I think you will have to use this in conjunction with other moisturizer or a face oil if you want good hydration in your skin. So guys, that was my review for Excella moisturizer. Now moving on to the second moisturizer, which is this Hydronet cream. You get about 80 grams of product for 430 or 440 rupees. Again, the price depends on whether you buy it online, where you can get more discounts, or you can buy this on any pharmacy as well. I tried to look for this on Amazon, but I think it was sold out, so I bought it from a pharmacy. If I find a link, I will definitely link it below. This moisturizer is one of my cult favorites. It actually saved my skin. I think I've mentioned this before as well in my 5 skincare mistakes I've made in the past video. I will leave a link in the description so you guys can check that out. So my moisture barrier was seriously compromised, and then one of my friends recommended this moisturizer to me and this saved my life. I only used this one day and night for like a few weeks. I really thank this moisturizer for bringing my skin back to life. So this one tube usually lasts me about 2 months or so, because you really need a small amount and it goes a long way. This moisturizer is perfect for upcoming winter season. Like right now I've started using this and I'm really enjoying this. This one is so hydrating and I think it will suit every skin type. I feel like if you have oily skin, you can probably use less, and then if you have dry skin, you can use more depending on what your skin type is. So the packaging mentions that this rebalances hydration network, it's oil-free formulation, it's non-comedogenic and hypoallergenic, which is all the great things you would want from a moisturizer. This will not just suit oily and acne prone skin type because it's oil free and non-comedogenic, but it will also suit people who are normal skin type and also dry skin type because it's hypoallergenic, which means it has less chances of causing allergy. So something which sets this moisturizer apart from Excella and other moisturizers I've spoken about like Acrophy is that this one is slightly thicker in consistency. It definitely takes extra 5 or 6 seconds for it to sink in, but it needs a little bit of extra work as compared to water-based moisturizers like Excella and Acrophy. However, once it is absorbed, it does wonders for your skin. I think it's great for any skin type, which is very difficult for one moisturizer to do, I get that, but I think this will suit a lot of people. I would recommend this for the coming winter months. This one is really great. I am someone who loves moisturizer, so I go overboard and I tend to use this with other moisturizer or with a face oil. But if you are someone who just wants one go-to product, I think this will be a great purchase. Hydronet is also a great dupe for Ordinary's natural moisturizing factor HA. I've used that one as well and I thought this one is much better than the Ordinary one. I felt like that was not as good as this one. It was just, there was something lacking. I think this one just ticks all the boxes for me. When you think you've run out of the moisturizer, don't throw the tube away. I think I realized it when I had run out of my moisturizer and I couldn't go and buy a new one. What I did was I just like cut open this moisturizer from the top and I realized there was so much moisturizer still left in the tube. So once you've squeezed every ounce of moisturizer out, make sure you cut it open and you will find at least 4 or 5 more applications from cutting open this tube. That's just like a hack. I mean, if you're spending so much money, might as well get the most use out of the moisturizer. That's just a no-brainer for me. So as you can tell, I'm a big fan of this moisturizer and I could not think of a lot of cons for this. The only thing I can say is that this is not the best for summers. I still use it. I use like a tiny bit during summers, but it is slightly on the thicker side. However, for the rest of the year, I think Hydronet is a perfect moisturizer. So guys, that was my review for Excella and Hydronet. I hope you like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you want to. If you have used these products, do let me know what your experience was. Really interesting for me to know what other people's experience was using the same products because it can be different for different people. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!